Hi guys, Hugh here from Square Labs. Today I'm going to take you through a tutorial where we can integrate Google Maps with Zoho Forms. Let's start with a demonstration. Just by typing in the street address field, I'm getting results from Google and I can click on one to autocomplete the address. Now with that, let's get into it. So first of all, let's go to our URL and type console.cloud.google.com. It will take you to the Google Cloud homepage. Here you might need to set up an account, but first you're going to need a billing account. So open up the navigation menu, go to billing, then you'll be able to create a billing account here. Now the address autocomplete is free up to 10,000 requests, and then after that it's only $5 up to 100,000 requests. Once you've got your billing account set up now, you can go into create or select a project, and then we're going to select new project. We're going to type in a name for that project, and then we can then click create. Once it's created, it'll give us a little notification where we can select project, and then once we're in here, we need to go across to the hamburger icon in the top right corner, and then we're going to select APIs and services. Then we're going to click enable APIs and services, and here we need to enable a couple of APIs. First, we need to select the Maps JavaScript API. By clicking on it, clicking enable, the first thing it's going to do is provide us with our API key, so you can copy that or we can get it a bit later. What we're going to do now is go to the Google Maps platform, and then in here, we don't need to worry about protect your API key because I'll talk you through that later. Now we need to go through and activate a couple more APIs by clicking enable APIs. Find the places product. We need to get the places API, and we're also going to need the geocoding API if you want your forms to work on mobile. Now that we've got these enabled, we can go across to keys and credentials, and this is where we're going to protect our API key, as API keys can be used by anyone. So now, by going in here, we select websites. Now we're going to restrict this to our internal URL, which includes our org name. We're also going to have our public-facing URL, which also includes our org name. And then we've got any custom domains that we've got. So you can put that in here. We use the star as a wildcard. It's important to note that if you use a short URL, that domain is shared amongst all organizations. So make sure you include the forms ID. Now we're going to make sure that we can protect the keys from restricting certain APIs. So under this, we're going to select APIs, and we're just going to select geocoding API, Maps JavaScript API, and the Places API. So untick all the unnecessary ones and then click OK. Now we can just scroll to the bottom and click Save. If you ever need your key again, you can go into Keys and Credentials and then click Show Key. Here you can copy it. Now in Zoho Forms, we're going to go to Control Panel. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and find Google Maps Connections. We're then going to select Add New Connection. We can just type in a name for our connection, and we're going to paste in our API key. Once you've done that, just click the I acknowledge, and then you can click Create Connection down the bottom corner. Now we just need to open up our form in edit mode. We're going to find the address fields by clicking on them. This will open up their properties. Then on the field properties, we're going to go down to Google Maps, and then make sure that we've got street address selected. Now we can demo this by opening up our form, and then under the address fields, as we start typing, you'll see that Google is automatically providing us the autocomplete results. Hopefully you found that tutorial nice and easy to follow, and it can help you integrate Google Maps into your Zoho Forms. Make sure you subscribe for more videos in the future, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.